Good morning to everyone. Once again, we have come to the topic similar triangle. In similar triangle, we will learn about the criteria for similarity of the triangle. You must have learned that already, but let me explain it to you once again. Now, the meaning of similar is the figures which are observed to be same. Congruency and similarity are different. If you got two triangles, A, B, C and P, Q, R. These two figures are said to be congruent if they are overlapping one over the other one exactly. If I have taken a triangle ABC and if I am covering over PQR, if they are exactly covered, it is said to be congruent. In lower classes, in class 9, 8, 7, in all these classes, you learned about the congruent triangles. The meaning of similarity is slightly different. If observed same, suppose I got a triangle KLM. This is another set of triangle, and these two triangles are observed to be same. The ratio of AB and PL, what we are getting, BC upon LM is getting same, BC and PL are getting same. Ratio of the sides are getting same. The triangles are said to be similar. And the symbol of similar is this one. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PL. This is the symbol of similar. And this is the symbol of, so this is the symbol of congruency. Similar means looks alike. They are observed to be same, but the size is not exactly the same. They are not overlapping each other. They are observed to be same. Shape is same, but they are not congruent. They are not overlapping one another. Now these are the two differences between the similar triangle and congruent figure. All the congruent figures are also similar because they looks alike. But all the similar figures are not congruent because if I am keeping the small triangle over the bigger triangle, they are not going to overlap. Just remember, all the similar triangles are not congruent, but all the congruent triangles are also similar. They look alike. Now there are certain criteria of similarity of triangle. As in case of congruency, we got 5 properties: SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS, and AAS. AAS and ASA are considered to be almost same. But that is also another criteria. For congruency of triangle, we got these 5 cases. Whereas for similarity of triangle, we got only 3 cases. First is SAS, second is SSS, third is AAA or even AA. Other than this, we also sometimes include RHS for the criteria of similarity of triangle. RHS is given in the last page of this chapter. You can see that certain summary is given. We will not give much importance to this RHS. Others are very important. SSS, SAS, and AAA. We will start with the first criteria, that is AAA similarity. AAA similarity. If you got 2 triangles in which 3 angles of one triangle, A represents angle. If 3 angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 angles of another triangle, the triangles are said to be similar. And the criteria of similarity is AAA. We'll take one example. Suppose we got a triangle ABC, and the second is PQR. If angle A is given equal to angle B, B is equal to Q, C equal to R, three angles of the first triangle are respectively equal to the three angles of another triangle. Then the triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR, and the property will be A. Angle. This is AAA criteria of similarity of the triangle. Three angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the three angles of another triangle. The triangles are similar, and the criteria of similarity is AAA. Next is SAS and SSS. Before starting this SAS or SSS, let me explain certain other things where you can do the mistake. If only two angles are given, A and B are respectively equal to P and Q, then also the triangles will be similar. Reason is because if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then definitely the third angle will also be equal. We'll see it. Suppose we got this angle as 70, this angle is 50, this angle is 70, and this angle is 50. If we are using angle sum property and we try to find out the value of x, 70 plus 50 is 120, 120 plus x is 60, 180 or x equals 60. Value of x we will get as 16. The same way other triangle also, if you use the angle sum property, there also you are going to get the same angle 60. Now if you got two angles of this triangle equal to two angles of this triangle, automatically the other pair of angle will also be equal. Third triangle will also be equal. Therefore, it is sufficient to show two angles of one triangle equal to the two angles of another triangle. Automatically, the third angle will become equal because of angle sum property. Therefore, sometimes this AA criteria of similarity is also known as AA because two angles is sufficient. Third angle will automatically become equal. I take the example, two angles we are taken 70 and 50, 70 and 50. If by angle sum property the value of x is got 60 degree, other side also you are going to get 60, not necessarily so this angle two angles of this triangle or two angles of this triangle, and definitely the third angle will also be equal. Therefore, AA is the criteria of similarity of the triangle. Third angle is not necessary to show. Second place where you can do the mistake. Here angle A is equal to P and B equal to Q. Therefore, make sure in place of A, vertex A, you are adding P. And in place of B, you are adding Q. A we have written in the starting, then P will be written in starting. B will be replaced by Q. B we have taken at center. Here in center we are going to take Q because B and Q are equal. Instead of this, suppose in question it is different. In any of the question, angle A equal to angle Q and B equal to R. Two angles of one triangle, we got two angles of another triangle. Using the property AA, the two triangles will be similar, and name of the triangle now you have to change accordingly. This ABC will not be similar to PQR. ABC will be similar to which triangle we have to see now? Here A is equal to Q, therefore in place of A you should write Q. A we have written in the beginning, therefore in place of A we write Q. B should be replaced by R. B should be replaced by R. Now Q and R we already got, which is not there, that we have to mention. While writing the name of the triangle, you have to see which angle or which vertices corresponds with which vertex. Therefore, A is equal to, therefore in place of A we have written Q. A is first in beginning, Q we have made it in the B. B equal to R, the place of B, we have written R. The third one which we have left, that is P, we have kept it as it is. Therefore, this is the first criteria of similarity of the triangle, AAA or BA. Next, we are going to take SSS. Second, we are going to take SSS. The property SSS we can take out side. For two triangles, ABC, PQ. If you got three sides of one triangle are in proportion with three sides of another triangle, the triangle should be similar, and the property which you are using to show the triangle similar was SSS. Here the ratio will be equal, sides are not equal. If I take it AB as one triangle, to be concluded, therefore I am going to take a smaller triangle. I am going to take a smaller triangle. Observe same. Is not having the same measurement. We got the ratio of AB and PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal to BC upon PR. Ratio of three sides AB, BC and BC of first triangle. We are getting in proportion to PQ, QR and PR. The triangles will be similar. Name of the triangle will be ABC is similar to triangle. Now, naming is very important as I said. As we have done in AA property, the name of the triangle we have chosen accordingly. You also need to choose the same time. Choose any one of the two ratios, either the first two, or last two, or first two. It is up to you which ratio you have chosen. We take it AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. For the time being, we are not taking BC and PR because we have to name which triangle is similar to which one. Now, in this case, we observe that B is present in both. B is present in both. AB and BC, the ratio which we take is B is the common vertex present in both. We have cancelled that. The same way PQ and QR, this Q is common. We have cancelled that. This is for naming the triangle because you will have the difficulty to find out which triangle is similar to which one. That is, we cannot say ABC is similar to triangle PQR. You will get the difficulty if it is not given in proper order. Therefore, what you do? Choose any of the two ratios, whichever vertex is common, cancel it. Whichever vertex is common, cancel from the numerator as well as the denominator. After doing so, we got B and B cancelled, Q and Q cancelled. A is not cancelled. And in denominator, B is not cancelled. The A should be replaced by P. A is given in the beginning, therefore we have added Q only. B was cancelled from the numerator and Q is cancelled from the denominator. Therefore, in place of B, whichever is cancelled, that has been replaced. B will be replaced by Q. C is not cancelled here, R is not cancelled here. Case of C is given at last, we are going to write R. This is the property SSS and the two triangles we got similar. Naming of the triangle, you will not have difficulty if it is directly given in order. If it is not given in order, then you will have the difficulty. What difficulty you will have, that I will show after taking one more example. Suppose AB upon PQ is not equal to BC upon Q, it is not given in order. So I am taking the same property, but the order I am changing. Suppose it is given the ratio of AB upon, then we are taking PQ. We are taking suppose Q1 equal to BC upon, then it is given as PR. It is not PQ or QR, it is PR. And at last we got AC upon PR. We have to name the triangle ABC is similar to which triangle? First triangle ABC you can write in any order. If you want to write ABC, if you want to write CPA, if you want to write BCA, BSc, anything you can write. First triangle can be written in order, any order. But the second triangle which you are writing, it has to be written as in a specific order. How to decide that order? For that, we choose any one of the two ratios. We have chosen these two ratios. Whichever is the common point vertex, we cancel that. Because of that, B is common in these two. Cancel it. From denominator also we can cancel. R is cancelled. Now, A should be replaced by one vertex. We also that A is not cancelled, and from the denominator which is not cancelled, Q. Therefore, A should be replaced by Q. In place of A, you should write Q. Now, next one we'll see B is cancelled, and from the denominator which is cancelled, R is cancelled. Therefore, in place of B, we'll write R. C is not cancelled here. And from the denominator which is not cancelled, P is not cancelled. Therefore, we will write P. Therefore, ABC is similar to QRP. We will not write PQR or PRP, something else we will not write. Accordingly, we have to change. And the property which is using is S. This is the second criteria of similarity of triangle SSS. First was A, second was SSS. Now we move to the third one. Third one is SAS. If you watch two triangles ABC and PQR, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. We shall on the sides what is ABC. And in between the two sides, whichever angle is trapped, they should also be equal. Between AB and BC, the angle B should be equal to PQ and QR. PQ and QR, that is the angle. If these two things are equal, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. We can name the triangle accordingly. We observe that B is cancelled, Q is cancelled. Base of A we have written Q, so B. Base of B we have written Q. Base of C we have written R. Therefore, ABC and PQR, both the triangles are similar. And this time we are using the property SS for two sides and included angle. Sides are in the ratio and included angles are equal. The triangles are similar by SAS. This is the third criteria of similarity of triangle. RHS we will not discuss because none of the question is given in the textbook. Only it is given for given as a supplement at the last pages of the chapter. In summary, it is given RHS. You can go through it later on. We will discuss in case any question comes of the same time. After doing all these properties, we will do one special property, that is CPST. You know CPCT? The same way we got the property CPST. Very important property. CPST. The form of CPST is corresponding parts of similar triangle. S stands for similar. We know that a triangle has 6 parts, 3 sides, 3 angles. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle P, or it is given if the triangles are given similar, then the first is the ratio of AB upon PQ, first 2 upon first AB upon PQ, last 2, that is BC upon PR, equal to first and last, AC upon PR, as well as angle A, first angle equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, together. This is known as CPST. That is, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and corresponding angles are equal. This is property CPST, and the CPST can be used only if the triangles are similar. Don't use CPST without showing the triangles similar. First show the triangles similar, then only we can use property CPST. Expecting that you understood that, we will move to the topic next day. All these things you have to prepare. Without learning all these properties, you will have the difficulty, because this is one of the most difficult chapters in the textbook. 10th class textbook, this is one of the most difficult chapter to understand. Therefore, go through the properties which I have learned. Even sir has shown this topic, but still I have taken. The reason is the topic is slightly difficult. We will come to the class next day with its continuation. Thank you.